Hey Weeders, it's Elle here from the Weet team. And today I just want to talk to you very quickly about how you and your organization can replace in-person trainings. So you might have actually had to do this and kind of pivot away from live trainings during the pandemic. You probably likely did. And we're here to show you that this can actually be really awesome. Like it can actually be even better than the way we're used to doing things. And I'm going to show you why. So I have the option to prepare training materials, and this can be for clients, this can be for colleagues, doesn't matter. And I can share that with them in video form. So for example, in our own knowledge base in Weet, I made a little Weet video to go with every single topic. So rather than having like a training meeting to discuss all of this, I just demonstrate it in a Weet, and this has eliminated countless meetings. Like I cannot tell you how many meetings were eliminated because we can explain to people how to do things with a video. And what's even better is that those people can watch these videos on their own time. They don't have to show up to my meeting at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, you know? So we really hope that you embrace eliminating meetings like we have here at Weet with Weet. Thank you so much and happy weeding, everybody.